So let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how one bad thought can ruin your entire day? You spill your coffee in the morning, you miss a phone call that was important, and suddenly it feels like the whole world is just totally against you, right? But here's the truth. You're not cursed, you're just conditioned. Because the quality of your life will always follow the quality of your thoughts. If you feed your mind trash, you're going to feel like trash. But when you feed it power, peace, and purpose, your whole energy changes. So today, I'm going to show you how to reprogram your mind and rebuild your life from the inside out. So let's get into it. I want you to think of your mind like a garden. Every single thought you plant is a seed. Now, if you plant weeds, negative thoughts like, I'm not enough or nothing ever works out for me. Don't be surprised when you end up walking through chaos. Let's say you wake up and think, today's gonna suck. That one thought releases stress hormones in your body. Your shoulders tense, your mood drops, and your brain starts looking for more reasons to prove you're right. But when you start your day with, today I'm gonna handle whatever comes my way, you activate a part of your brain that helps you focus, solve problems, and stay calm. You literally shift your chemistry with your thoughts. Here's a challenge. Every morning before you touch your phone, think 3 empowering thoughts. Try it for 21 days. You will be so amazed at how your mindset starts changing on autopilot. But don't touch that phone. Do it before you touch that phone. So here's something powerful most people don't know. Your emotions are not problems. They're messages. Fear isn't there to scare you. It's showing you what matters most. Anger, it's letting you know a boundary got crossed. And anxiety, it's a sign you're living too far in the future. When anxiety hits, it's your body whispering, hey, come back to the present. Next time you feel anxious about something coming up, pause and say, thank you, anxiety. You're just reminding me I care. That little tiny shift turns emotion into understanding. And that's how you take back your power. Let's be real. Motivation is great. I love motivation, but it doesn't last. You can't wait to feel ready. Change happens when your habits take over. Here's a quick math check. If you read 650 pages a year, that's about 10 full books, just from one small habit. Small habits build big lives. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your habits. So start teeny. Journal for just 10 minutes instead of scrolling. Drink 1 extra glass of water. Say no when your peace feels at risk. These are just tiny little shifts that can change everything for you. Your past? That's just one chapter. It's not your whole story. Too many people get stuck rereading their worst moments. Your book isn't done yet. Every mistake taught you something. Every heartbreak showed your strength. If your life were a 300-page book, your past might only take up only 40 pages. So why keep rereading those 40 pages when you've got 260 left to write? Learn the lesson, then turn the page. When someone triggers you, just pause. Pause for a second. That trigger is a mirror. It's not showing you what's wrong with them. It's showing you what's still unhealed inside you. If you get defensive when someone gives you feedback, maybe deep down you fear rejection. If jealousy rises, maybe you've forgotten your own worth. It's not about shame. It's about awareness. Once you see it, that's when you can heal it. Your reactions reveal your wounds, but they also reveal where you're ready to grow. You can't control people. You can't control timing. You can't control outcomes, but you can control your choices. You can choose patience over panic, and you can choose grace over gossip. And you can choose to start again no matter how many times life knocks you down. That's the real power. Your choices today are building the foundation for your future. Here's the formula. Your thoughts shape you. Your habits build you. Your choices define you. When you change your thoughts, you change your emotions. When you change your emotions, you change your actions. And when you change your actions, you change your life. It's simple as that. It's not instant. It's daily little habits that we change. But remember this, you don't have to rebuild overnight. You just have to stop tearing yourself down. You really do become what you think. You stop feeding your mind junk. Feed it strength, peace, and belief. Because your story just isn't over yet. It's just getting good. And if this message spoke to your soul, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who really needs to hear it today. And remember, your greatest chapter hasn't even been written yet. So until next time, feed your mind positivity. Don't feed it junk. Be the best you could be, and I will see you in the next one.